Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to resolve issue with the Capitec Bank mobile app if it's not functioning properly. Solution 1. Update the Capitec Bank app. First thing first, ensure you have the latest version of the app. Open the App Store on your device, then tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. Look for the Capitec Bank app. If you notice an update button next to the app name, click on it to update to the latest version. Solution 2. If the problem persists, you should clear the app cache. Go to General inside your device settings, then tap iPhone storage. Locate the Capitec Bank mobile app and select it. On this screen, tap Offload app and confirm your choice. It will take a moment to process, and once it's done, a reinstall button will appear. Click on it to reinstall the app. This should resolve the issue. But if not, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the Capitec Bank app. Follow the on-screen prompts to navigate to app page. Once there, select Delete app to remove it from your device. After it's been uninstalled, head back to App Store and search for the Capitec Bank mobile app. Tap the download button to install it again, and hopefully this will fix the problem. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.